doesn't heat up. So now we turn it on. And it used to say H-E as the error. Now it just says this. And that should be saying 200 and heating up. But see, doesn't work. The second time I turned it on, it blew the circuit breaker for the house. All the lights went out. And then it doesn't heat up since then. The hot air rework, that still works fine, but the soldering side doesn't work, and it says that. Even if we unplug this soldering iron, it still just says that. So there's something wrong in here. Something shorted out. See, it doesn't matter if we unplug that.